Hey guys, so when you search for a term like Realtor Miami, you get a list of different realtors that pop up in your Google search based on your location. And so if we scroll down to the ones that are not sponsored, for example, we have these four over here. I get this certain list, but someone that's living on the other side of the city can get a completely different type of list. And reaching out to these businesses and getting them or helping them to reach the top ranks in whatever neighborhood it is in their specific city is a major service that a lot of people offer. And many of these SEO agencies that provide the service use tools like local Falcon. So basically you can search for local neighborhoods and see what ranking this business is in the specific part of the neighborhood. But the problem here is that there's a monthly pricing and it does offer you this local keyword research feature, but there is a monthly price, obviously, like with everything. And in today's video, what I'm going to be showing you is how you can build this from scratch using Claude Code and one special integration to basically add the client name, the URL, their category, keywords that you want to search for, like for example, realtor or realtor near me or realtor Miami, and add the specific zip codes that you want to see where they rank in. And then you basically get a list of these potential clients. So I can, for example, choose this one, which is basically like this dentist office. And I can see that for these specific keywords, they actually don't have any rankings in any of these places. But when we're a little bit more detailed as to the location, Royal Palm Beach, then we can start seeing the rankings. And not only do we get this heat map, but we also get this white label PDF, which I can basically download and send to this potential client. And you can basically download this system for free in the description below and white label it and use this to find your own clients. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get started. And by the way, before we get started with today's video, if you like workflows like this, if you like content like this, feel free to join my Discord down below. It's for free. We get together every single weekday to talk about different tools and workflows. So yeah, guys, feel free to join that. Link is down below. So let's try to do this workflow again from scratch. So I'm going to select one of these realtors. So we have Home Miami. And what we can do is I can select their website, or I can just copy their website. I can go to my tool over here and I can write down the name. I'm just going to write down like Realtor Doral because they're in Doral, Florida. I'm going to paste in the URL. We're going to write realtor as keywords. We're just going to separate them by comma. Then you can write down a few of these keywords. So realtor, realtor Miami, realtor Doral, real estate, etc., etc. And then we're just going to write down a few zip codes from the Miami area, and we're going to hit add client. And so the client has been added. So we can scroll down. We can look for it over here, right? We can click on this. And once we're in, we can see that for these two zip codes that are pretty local to this business, it does pretty well, right? As you can see, realtor Doral, it actually ranks pretty well throughout all of the different zip codes. But for these specifically, you can see a lot of green. This one is a little bit further away, so you can see it's not really ranking pretty well. But then still, all of these are still kind of in the Miami region. And so, for example, realtor, this term, it's not ranking pretty well in these places. For residential real estate as well, or for real estate agent. And basically what we're using, the kind of secret sauce or the secret ingredient behind this technology is something called a residential proxy. And basically what this is that it's an intermediary that routes your internet traffic through a real IP address assigned to a physical home by an internet service provider. So it's basically like imitating a home in these specific zip codes to provide you the results of what it gets for these zip codes. And for this, I'm using DataImpulse, which basically gives you access to residential proxies at a fraction of the cost when it comes to tools like Local Falcon. They have over 90 million unique residential IPs in over 195 countries. And you can drill all the way down to the city, state, or zip code even. And the best part of this is that it is pay as you go. So there's no like monthly subscription. You just have to add a new plan like this and just set a budget based on the amount of gigabytes you need. It's about $1 per 50 gigabytes, as you can see over here. And honestly, I've run like 8 of these already, and it's just cost me over $1. And any traffic you don't use doesn't expire. It just sits in your account until you need it. You can view all of these runs over here in the main dashboard. And once you're in, what you can basically do is you can adjust the configuration of your proxy. So you can select your country, like I said before, you can select the state, and then you can select cities and also zip codes. So going back over here, let's say that you want to choose all of these or maybe even more, you can just keep them saved inside of your DataImpulse account. And all you have to do is basically save this configuration. And then all you have to do is basically give this proxy access to Claude Code for it to configure in your app. And how does this work? Well, there's 3 steps to it, right? There's the first step, which is like the business owner, right? The realtor, the dentist, the lawyer. These people, they pay an SEO agency to help them rank their business, right? Their website. And you can be the SEO agent, or you might reach out to SEO agents because you're building out this tool, and the SEO agency would basically need your tool in order to provide the services to these businesses. And the lawyer, the dentist, the realtor, they're going to pay this SEO agency on a monthly basis, let's say around 1.5 thousand each month, to help them, for these guys to help them with the services. And these SEO agents can then pay your product to run for them on a monthly basis for around 20 bucks, which would basically be a more competitive price to this local Falcon. And to be honest, this keyword, local SEO reporting, is a growing keyword. Gets around 700 people searching this per month. We have a cost per click of around $1.10, and it's very easy to rank for. So a solution like this is something that hundreds of people per month look for. And so this was the prompt that I gave Claude Code. Build a SaaS for SEO agencies that track how their local business clients, whether it be realtors, dentists, lawyers, rank in Google for target keywords across specific zip codes. Each scrape must route through a DataImpulse residential IP in the target zip code. Because Google's SERPs are hyperlocal, rankings change neighborhood by neighborhood inside one city. And so the output must be a heat map dashboard with keywords and zip codes colored by rank, plus a white labeled PDF report agencies can email to clients weekly. And again, a very important screenshot, you can send a screenshot to Claude Code, it'll use it, is this proxy access, and to also add those zip codes that you want to use in that proxy access or in that proxy configuration. And as a test result we get from Claude Code, it basically tests a specific area in Texas and with these keywords for a random URL, and we can see that it starts to work. And it gave us the front end, it gave us these inputs to kind of type in these different things. But like always, you know, it gave us some errors, so we just had to take a screenshot, give this back to Claude Code and reiterate. And basically after 5 tries, we get our site. And like I do with all of my sites, I push them to Vercel. Vercel has this awesome plugin that you can use with Claude Code or with Codex. And basically all you have to do is like run this plugin and authenticate yourself. And eventually something that you can do as well is create a landing page based on this so that you can eventually connect the call to action button to Stripe. And that's pretty much the whole workflow, guys. Using Claude Code, connecting it to DataImpulse, bringing that together, shipping it with Vercel, and you have something that you can either sell to SEO agencies or you can use as your own SEO agency and work with local businesses near you. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, please let me know down in the comments below. And like always, thank you all so much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.